Hello YouTubers, and today I'm going to show you how to make Windows 10 look like Windows 7. First, open your web browser, then search Classic Share. Click on this website, then click Download Now, then click Classic Share Windows Installer English, then click Save, open the download file, then click Run, and then click Next. Accept the agreements and services. Click Next, click Next, click Install, click Yes. And then untick View Redeem File, then click Finish. Put your cursor on the Windows Start menu button. Right click on it and click Settings, click Windows 7 Style. You can see it's like this. To make it look like the original Windows 7 style, original one, Start menu, you have to click Select Skin, and then on the skin option you have to change it to Windows Aereo, then click OK, and now you can see it's loaded up the Windows original Start menu, the Windows 7 one, but it's not displaying the Windows 7 logo. To do that, first you have to go on your web browser again, and then search Windows 7 Start Button Small.png, and then go onto this website which says Windows 7 Orb Start Button smaller size 32x32 pixel classic. Click on that one and then scroll down. You can see this image here. Right click on the image and then click Save Image As, and then save it on the file you want to. After doing that, right click on the Windows Start button, go onto Settings again, and then go to Start Menu Style, and then click Replace Start button, then say Custom, and then say Pick an Image. Go onto the file you saved that image, and then scroll down, and then click on that image, and then click Open, and then click OK. And now you can see the Windows 7 button is there, and the Windows 7 Start menu is loading up perfectly good. To make it feel like more Windows 7, just right click on the taskbar, go to Cortana and then say Hidden, and then right click again on the taskbar and then untick Show Task View button. Then go onto your Windows 10 settings, personalization, keep it open there. If you have the Windows 7 background, you can do it now. If you don't, first go onto your Windows, go onto your browser and then search Windows 7 original background, scroll down and then get this image, right click on it and then say Save Image As and then save on the file. Okay, back to Settings and then click Browse on the background settings, and then search for your image. One's here, Windows 7 background. Choose Picture as that, and then minimize, and then you can see it's the Windows 7. And then it exactly looks like Windows 7. If you don't want this and want to have your normal Windows 10 start menu, to do this, it's pretty easy and simple. Just right click on the taskbar and go to Cortana, say Show Search Box, and then right click on the taskbar again, say Show Task View button. After that, right click on the Windows Start menu button and then click Settings, and then say Replace Start button off, turn off that, then click OK, and then go on to Control Panel, and then uninstall Classic Shell, and then click Yes. After that, change the background, and then you can see it's loading up normally. And that's how to make Windows 10 look like Windows 7. Thanks for watching.